Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, John and Pets, and again, we're located at the Philippines. So if you're near here in my location, you can come and go check it to yourself. Our fish stacks, and we have here aquarium here, everything you need for you to start your aquarium. Yes. So again, it's been 4 days since I set up my 2.5 gallon aquarium, and so far everything is going great. This is just proof that small tank can actually work as long as it's not overcrowded, and if you practice proper care and feeding. So as you can see guys, the water is clear, the fish are active, and the shrimp are doing well too. However, I just noticed a few pest snail in my tank, and I'll be removing them all because they can damage my aquatic plants and quickly multiply if left uncontrolled. Also, I removed one of my shrimp into separate nano tank aquarium because I noticed that her eggs are about to hatch. So I did this to avoid stressing her and to protect the baby shrimps from being eaten by my fishes. So consistency is the key when it's come to maintaining healthy aquarium no matter what the size is. So stay tuned for more updates. And of course, don't forget to like this video and share and subscribe for more updates.